Question number 6, it says a solid sphere of mass 1 kg and radius 1 meter rolls without slip on a fixed inclined plane with an angle of inclination 30 degree with the horizontal as shown in this figure. Two forces of each magnitude 1 Newton parallel to the inclined plane, they are acting as shown in this figure, and they are acting at a distance 0.5 meter from the center. Okay, so we need to find the acceleration of the sphere down the plane, right? So small r is this distance and capital R is the radius. So let's make the equation of Newton's law. This is there will be the forces as well. So free body diagram will have normal reaction mg cos theta, mg sin theta. These forces are named as F. There will be friction backward, acceleration downward. Let's say this is alpha, right? So mg sin theta is downward, and then plus F, this is downward. There is minus F, there is this minus small f is equal to ma. These two getting cancelled out. So m is 1, g is 10 sin 30 we can use, so that turn out to be 5 minus small f is equal to mass is 1, so that's a. So that's one equation. And then there's equation for torque. So f into r dash, this is r dash. I'm considering r dash is the entire radius. So minus f dash by r and f r by 2. So just to differentiate this r from this r prime. So r prime is our total radii. So Fr, as per this alpha, this F into the total radius is going to be the torque in this sense, which is clockwise. And these two forces are making couple, so they will give torque in the counterclockwise. And this must be equal to I alpha, where R prime is smaller. Now we can put the value. R prime is this radius, so that R prime is 1 meter. So this F into 1 minus F is capital F is 1, so R prime by 2 will be half, and similarly this I is going to be like solid sphere 2 by 5 mr square, so m is 1, r is 1. So from here you'll find F, this will be minus 1, F minus 1 is equal to 2 by 5 into alpha. No slip condition or rolling condition will say A is equal to R alpha for these directions, so you'll find R is 1, so that will be like A is equal to alpha. So that's third equation. Now we can add these two first or second equation, then F will disappear. This will be 5 minus 1, that is 4, is equal to A plus 5 by 2 alpha. This alpha could be replaced by A, so that is ultimately 7A by 5. So from A turn out to be 20 divided by 7. 20 divided by 7 meter per second square. Now you can convert this in decimal places, so it's like 2.8571 meter per second square. Since question says truncate or round off for 2 decimal places, so this is 7, it will lead to make it 6. So 2.86 meter per second square will become the final response for this particular question. Thank you.